I'm making an app to end doom scrolling, and I've been doing that for the last 340 days now. Yeah, actually 24 days off of a whole year. Today I'm going to show you how it's going, how it works, and specifically how yesterday I got 2,000 downloads in a single day, which is insane, but I didn't pay any money for ads or anything like that. And if you do want to join this mission, I'm also going to explain why this app that you're seeing right here actually can help with doom scrolling, and it's not going to block or delete anything. So first things first, how did we get here? Well, a year ago I was annoyed. I was just frustrated that I couldn't get off my phone and I was scrolling all day and I didn't really have anything better to do. So I know I needed to try things. Thing is, I tried a lot of things and I didn't really have a way of keeping track of it. I didn't have a way of taking action on things and starting things. So I wanted to make something for myself to do that. And then I made this. So you're seeing right here. Basically, it's a list of 1,000 different things. Originally, I was going like of a swipe concept, swipe left or right, so you could pick something that you were interested in and then do it. But now I've realized that that is taking up way too much time. That would take up way too much time of your time, and it's kind of just better if you have a list that you can scroll through and pick off things you may be interested in and then try them as quickly as possible. And to do that, to find something better to do, you find something interesting and then you swipe right on it. At that point, you then get a plan to do it. And while you're doing this plan, you can't be scrolling on your phone because you're actually doing something. And because you're interested in this thing, the chances of you doing it go up significantly. And you have a plan to do it. So that helps. And at that point, you can also click on the each step text and watch content on each one. So that's pretty cool. That's the app. And the reason this works is because most of us, we know that we like things. We know that we have interests, but a lot of that is drowned out with this seamlessly endless amount of information overloading our brains that we need to know constantly, or we feel we need to know, but we don't actually need to know. You know, that funny thing that happened on your Instagram feed, you don't remember it a day later. You don't remember it 2 hours later, maybe even an hour. So, how can we do more of the things we enjoy? And I think the answer is not to limit and block our times, because that's just going to end up, we're not going to know what to do. So, we're going to end up back where we were. But to actually scroll less, the objective to me is to do things that matter to you. So that's what I've been trying to do for the last almost year now, help people do things that matter to them. Now, if you're here on the developer side of things, I will share that getting 2,000 downloads in a single day and not paying for it, it's interesting. 2,000 people downloaded my app. That's great in a single day. So how did that happen? Well, first things first, I made about 700 videos over the last year for talking about how I'm building this app, and I've recently realized how I can make videos do really well. And the answer is to find videos that have done extremely well and then put my own spin on them to make them relevant to what I'm trying to show and what I'm trying to promote, which is my own app. So what did I do? Well, basically, I grabbed myself, oh, not this. Basically, what I did was I got myself onto Instagram, and my app is to end doom scrolling. Keep that in mind. I will let you know. My app is to end doom scrolling. I got in Instagram and I scrolled. Yeah, I had to scroll on Instagram. And I did this intentionally. So basically, I would go through and find things that would be kind of interesting to my app, right? And then after that point, when I find some things, I save them. I would replicate a similar idea. And I came across one, which was basically people sharing their hobbies, saying that they're cool, and just putting 4 pictures, right? Pretty simple. That's what I did on Curiosity Quench. And that last week, one of them hit about 1.2 million views. Now, I will let you know, I did misspell astrology instead of astronomy. Obviously, that sparked some comments, and the video went super high. And I put just 4 hobbies that are pretty common because these are cool hobbies and people have a lot to say about them. They're going to comment. But most of all, people will connect with this. People want to connect with other people in their hobbies, and it's directly related to my app. So basically, I saw someone making a similar video, and then it had like 1 million likes. So I made something similar and applied it to Curiosity Quench. Really, that's all I did. And I've tried months before to do the same thing, but I couldn't really find anything that worked. And then I realized it's less about self-improvement, my app, and a lot more just about hobbies and doing things you love. So it's nice to see, it's wholesome, and that's kind of where we're at right now. That's how we got there. That's how I got 2,000 downloads in a single day. I made some viral content for free, and I posted it. And now I did make a lot of content that didn't really get any views, couldn't even get past the 1,000 view mark for a long time. A lot of that was because I wasn't on the account, so Instagram often thought I was a bot because I just go to post. I don't go on Instagram anymore because I've kind of figured out how to stop doom scrolling. Thing is, Instagram doesn't like that. They want you on their platform. They want you to know you're an actual user and not a bot. So that's where we're at. That's how the app is looking right here. And I recently just added all of the curated content to every single plan. So every single plan is going to have a curated plan where you can watch content on each step to help you do it. And that's kind of it right now. I'm going to add a lot of things to this app. I have a lot of things to do, and I'm going to get to it after I record this video. But yeah, that's day 340. I will see you guys in the next one, or maybe I won't. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you learned something. Hope you had fun. But go touch some grass. Go do the things you love. And see you later.